This is the ancient city wall. We climb up. Now we are on the city wall. The outside is Gong Shui or Jiangxi. Which one? That one is Jianchun Man ba? Okay, let's work on the wall. It's quite relaxing. This is Jianchun Man. Let's have a look from the wall to the Gongshui River. There is a bridge, floating bridge. We will go there. There are many stores. This is Jianchun Man, the old city's entrance. Under the wall, many small stores selling different foods. Okay, we will go on the wall. Which okay, this is a floating bridge, Donghe Floating Bridge. Many salt fish. Turtles, many turtles. There is a dog on a small boat. Many turtles. The dog there. It's quite interesting. Here we have a taste of the Jiangxi at the side of the river. Now we walk under the wall. There are many business stores. Now we walk to the old wall, ancient wall. This is Gong River. Okay, we arrived at Yongjingmen. In front, the high building should be Bajingtai. Under the Bajingtai. Under the Bajingtai, there is an ancient city wall. Here is two rivers mixed together, Jiangxi and Gongshui, from Ganjiang. This is 世界客属客家文化。This is Gongshui and Jiangxi mix to form the Ganjiang. Okay, this is the north door. Now we can go through this entrance to enter the city. We climb up to the ancient city wall to Bajingtai, Jiangnan Songcheng. Okay, the downside is the Bajingtai Park. Here is the Bajingtai. The downside is the ancient defense system. This is the Bajingtai, very beautiful ancient we can see from here the Ganzhou city, old city, and the city wall. Very beautiful scenery. The downside of the river, it is called Ganjiang, but here it's Gongshui. Very beautiful.
它直通哪里呢？直通九江，通香港，通香江，它可以通到九江，通到赣江。
We came from the upside and go to have a look at the defense system. Very beautiful, right? This side is a city. The city area. Very beautiful flying birds over the river. Okay, now we walk towards Yugutai. Now this is for travelers region. This one is a Bajing Park. In this region, not many people on the streets.李正道在赣州。Okay, this is inside the 宋朝不夜城。Here in this city, many business stores. Many girls come here to take art photos. This is Junmenlo. Yesterday night we came here. At night here will be more people. Many Gannan骑乘. Now we climb up to the Yugutai. 赣州纹理. Still on the road to Yugutai. Wangque Lou. This is also a restaurant, local restaurant. And morning, number 8. Zhou Dunyi 在赣州. Okay, let's walk in. Okay, we arrived at Yugutai. Let's climb up. Oh. We enter Yugutai. Very beautiful. Very beautiful ancient building. Okay, this is Yugutai. Okay, let's enter the Yugutai and climb up to have a look. Beautiful. I'm on the Yugutai, the top. You can see the sunset from Yugutai. This is another famous ancient Chinese 辛弃疾. Okay, we come back to the Junmenlou. Yesterday night we come here. They are busy with setting up of New Year celebration.